You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Welcome to the first part of my Slovakia series, a collection of vlogs that I recorded over the summer, living in a small but lively village with my grandma. My English is a bit inner in this video, as for the most part of the summer I was speaking Slovakian, so please forgive my rustiness. I'll let myself talk now. Enjoy the video.
It is currently 6:30 on the Friday the 6th. We got here 2 days ago and we had to quarantine for around 4 days. Let's just walk up our front lawn. A beautiful set of flowers, absolutely gorgeous. Grandmother works hard to maintain all this. And over there, guys, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, but where that wheelbarrow was, we used to have beehives, but unfortunately that was too much work, so we had to get rid of that. And over here on the right side we've got the shower, outdoor shower, and we've got the seating area. This is where we chill on hot days. Underneath the, I think it's a birch tree, or sorry, an oak tree, dub. We'll go inside after, I'll show you inside after. But if you go around to the back of the house, you can see this is called a boisko. This is where we keep our tractor, car. So our boisko is in here. It'll be quite dark in here, but our tractor is in fact in there, and this is our car. And up there we've got the attic. This is where we keep all of our wood, because everything here, to get hot water, we either have to heat it in a kettle, or we basically go into the fireplace room, where we have to heat the water using wood. This is locked right now, unfortunately, but my bike is in there. Not sure if you can see, that is locked. That's our garage. That's where we use all of our tools. Over here we've got a small little basin or swimming pool, grapevines, chili. Here we actually grow pumpkins, and over here we've got tomatoes. Everything here is homegrown, so the food we have to eat is all fresh, organic. So everything is cooked ourselves. And over all the way back there to the end of that gate is our land. That's our neighbour. I'm not sure if you can see, but all the way back there to that gate is where our land ends. And on the right, on the side here, we've got a hiking trail that goes deep into the forest to a ski slope. And if you go over here, this is still our area, but you'll see the right side of our garden. This is where the beehive used to be. Fortunately, they're not there anymore. We've had them, they were there for quite a while. We had them for around 20 years. Anyways, guys, right now we're going to go inside. I'm going to show you the interior of the home. Ahoj, babka.
Áno.
Pomôžem ti? Už? Dobre. Čo tu máme, Luka? Čo tu je? A badmintové rakety máme. This is sort of another garage. This is what we use to turn the honey. Fireplace. Fridge. Babka Jessie. Oh. All Alright, let's go upstairs now, guys. So as you can see, this house has 3 floors. This is the first floor. Better keep my shoes on because I'm going to show you this area. It has 3 floors. Let's go inside here. This is what we call, I don't know what's called this, to be honest, the basement. It looks like a bomb shelter. Very old fashioned. We don't really use this very often, to be honest. We only use this if we want to do certain cooking jobs that require more heat. I wouldn't touch that because that is a death trap. Bit of a breathing hole here. you saw that earlier. This is where we keep, because it's quite cool down here and moist, we keep all of our potted products such as cucumbers, as you can see there, peppers, raspberries that have been tinned for jam. It's called compote, and it's basically like a juice which you add to your water to make it sweeter. This is called the kotelnia. This is where I was speaking about. This is where we will heat up wood to heat the water. This is what we use here. Very old-fashioned pipe system. Got all of our wood here. Look at that. It wouldn't be a Slavic village without an axe. Beautiful. Oh no, we can't get it in. That just shows the Western ability. We've got a tumble dryer in here, but I don't think we ever used that, to be honest. Let's just go ahead and close that. Lovely job. Anyway, this is it, guys. These are our stairs here, which we used to get up. As you can see up here, there are 3 floors. This is the 2nd floor of the house. That goes to the 3rd, probably my favourite floor. In here we've got our bathroom. Does the job. Toilet, bath, sink. This is sort of like the luxury room. Some luxury decor, cabinets. Yeah, some nice vases. And next we're gonna go to the balcony. We have 2 layers here. There's a mosquito net because we used to get a lot of mosquitoes here when it was hot. This is sort of the tanning area. This is our terrace. This is beautiful outside here right now. Beautiful weather. Another thing to mention about this place is it's on the border to Poland. So every year we will go to an event where we will go to the border where there is a massive tower, and wooden tower that is, and we will sort of, you know, drink, eat with the Polish people with whom we border with. Yeah, beautiful view from outside here. Satellite dish for TV. We've even got Wi-Fi in here. Those of you hating. Those of you who couldn't live without it. Then we've got another lounge. This is the I don't know what to call it, to be honest. Fireplace, TV, with more paintings, calendar, watch, clock. This is our kitchen. Roman Catholic paintings and ornaments. Then we've got wooden table. This is where we have all of our meals. This is our kitchen. Really homely, really alive, pretty cozy inside here. This is our spiza. This is sort of the utility room. We've got our fridge, lighting, all of our cupboards here. Probably stacked with chocolate at the moment, yeah. A lot of goodies in here. And they're the jars I was talking about. Anyway, let's progress to the 3rd floor. on the top level of the whole house. Spinning wheel. Don't know what to call that, a lounging chair. Here we've got this beautiful sort of, don't know what to call that, but very common for these houses to have that sort of style. And this is the top terrace, the best room in the whole house, as you can see. A little bit more about this village is that there are around 100, 200 people who live here. A lot of houses. Let's just close that. Multi-zillion, hey? Okay. Die. This is my younger cousin's room. Nice and cozy. Gets the job done. And this is where we sleep. Epic moment. Epic moment. That's what the router is. I've got all our goodies here. Beautiful, beautiful. Curtains. All our clothes there. Got a bear coat, iconic.
Thank you for making it this far into the video. If you enjoyed and want to watch the rest of the series, make sure to subscribe, as in the next video, I visit the smallest village in Slovakia with a population of 9 people and interview some of the locals. See you next time.
When I met you in the